Okay, in this video we will be loading film in the Olympus Trip 35. Okay. To open this, there's an actual lever at the bottom rather than pulling up on the rewind knob, unlike how SLRs do. Usually you just pull this up and then the door pops open, but there's a lever right there. Okay, pop the rewind knob up so you can get your film in there, any type film you want. Loading film in every camera is pretty much the same, really, so just get your film leader, put it into one of these slots. Once you know you've got your film in there, you can just rewind it, take an image, rewind it again, rewind the slack you've got, close the door, do it again. Okay, now what you want to do is advance the film onto 1, then you are ready to start shooting. So keep taking images, make sure your rewind knob is moving, because when it's moving that means you've loaded the film correctly. And there you are on image 1. Now you can start shooting.